Haven't you noticed who's missing? Don't you know Jimmy's not around? I heard he's on a diplomatic mission, and I heard today he comes back to town. So I say we gather near the beaches. I say we wait till he arrives. Then when he docks his ship, we can breach it. Let us leave now, today we can strike it. Till the boy stops shaking. While I slit his throat. Hold him down while I slowly break his pride, his trust, his faith, and his bones into tiny pieces in the gray below. When the crowd wonders where the prince is, only the ocean and I will know. And when the deed is done, Judy will have no one to stop us from breaking her bedroom door, stop us from taking her love and more. And then we'll hold it down.